Yes, what we were discussing synthetic fibers and plastic. In that topic, we were discussing about synthetic fibers and plastics. Stop talking. We were discussing about the properties of the plastic, and in the properties we had discussed the one or the two properties. I think we had discussed properties of plastics. But what properties that we had discussed or not? Which properties we discussed? Plastics are non-reactive. Non-reactive means they will not show the reaction with the oxygen, with water, with chemicals. Okay, that's why it is used to make the water tank, water pipes, and sanitary fitting. Question can be mold in any form. Is that clear? Question can be mold. Like they can ask you why water tank and why sanitary fittings is specially made with the plastic, right? As all of you know, Phenolics pipes होती है ना? So they can ask you why we are using this one. Okay, what is the reason? So reason क्या है? You can write these are the non-reactive. They will not show the reaction with the water, with the chemicals. Okay, with air. That's why we used to make the pipes or all these things with the plastic. Okay. Second property. Plastics are light in weight. In which example we had considered? Thermocol. Thermocol is used for the disposable cups also, as well as the packaging material for the fragile items like TV, AC, anything that we can pack in the thermocol sides we used to do. Okay. And the third property, plastics are strong, and which example we had done in this case? Melamine, that is used for making utensils, kitchen cookware, as well as floor tiles. Other polythene. Other second is polythene, that is used to make the carry bags because of the strongness. Okay, because of the property that is strong. Other one, PVC, that is used for making the floor tiles. This much we had discussed. Okay, next point क्या था? Plastics are poor conductor of heat. Example we had discussed. Bakelite, that is used for making the handles of utensil. Other one, polystyrene, that is a thermocol like a insulator. Okay, that is used to make the क्या बनाने के? एयर कूलर, थर्मस फ्लास्क और आइस बॉक्स. ठीक है. ओके, नेक्स्ट लिखो. प्लास्टिक्स आर पुअर कंडक्टर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. Which property? Fifth property. Plastics are poor conductor of electricity, right? These are the poor conductors of electricity also. So example, which example we will consider under this? Bakelite. Example, bakelite, that is especially that is the poor conductor. That's why it is used to make the switches and the plugs. They can ask you to name the material that is used to make or why it is used. Okay, reason which they can ask and the name. Name में we will write down bakelite. Reason because these are the poor conductor of electricity. Clear? Next लिखो PVC. What is the full form of PVC? Polyvinyl chloride. All of you had seen the wires. Wires होती है, ठीक है? तो black coating is there. What is that? That is PVC. Write down. It is used as insulation cover in electric wire. in, नहीं बच्चे point, इसी example, used in insulation cover in electric wire. Sixth property, plastics are used inert to chemicals. I told you the meaning of inert, when they will not show reaction. Inert बोलते when they are not participating. Okay, write down plastics are inert to chemicals. Plastics are inert to chemicals. Example, Teflon. Example, Teflon. कहाँ यूज होता है टेफ्लॉन? हैव यू हर्ड दिस वर्ड? नहीं सुना? ऑल ऑफ यू हैड हर्ड. नॉन स्टिक पैन होता है, नॉन स्टिक तवा होता है. दैट इज राइट डाउन. टेफ्लॉन इज यूज्ड फॉर मेकिंग नॉन स्टिक कुकवेयर. It is used for making non-stick cookware. That is used to make non-stick cookware. Okay, it is a special type of plastic in which no water and oil, they will not show any effect. पानी और oil का कोई effect नहीं होता non-stick पे. That is a different. मतलब it's not like that kind of plastic that we are using to make bottles. These are having some different components. Okay, when we are preparing this, so we are making according to our requirement. But that is a Teflon, na? That's why I'm saying Teflon. Okay. Next, लिखे plastics are insoluble in water. Plastics are insoluble in water. ठीक है जी. Buckets वगैरह that we are using so due to this reason. Next देखो, plastics are highly inflammable. Inflammable. Due to this property, all the properties that we had discussed, these are the positive properties, but only this one that is inflammable, that we had written in a negative, like inflammable. So that means it can catch fire easily. ठीक है, तो ये बहुत जल्दी catch कर लेगा fire को, and which causes या which produces smoke and the pollution occurs. This is the negative point, disadvantage हो गया, right? Now last topic, plastic and environment. Plastics and environment. Is this, these points are clear to everyone? Any difficulty what we had discussed? Any difficulty what we had discussed? After completion of this chapter, one day we will revise this chapter thoroughly and then we will start a new chapter. Is that clear? After completion of this chapter, maybe tomorrow, okay, or day after tomorrow, we will revise this chapter in the class and then we will move further. Is it clear, bete? So write down the next topic, plastic and environment. Can anyone can explain about this? As we already discussed the last point, that it is highly inflammable. Highly inflammable means when it burns, it produces smoke and causes the pollution. Plastics और environment. ठीक है जी, क्या लिख सकते हो, क्या बता सकते हो? What we had discussed, the main feature of plastic, what is the effect on the environment? हाँ जी, Yes, plastics are non-biodegradable. That is the main feature. Okay, non-biodegradable. That means it cannot be decomposed by the microorganism. And it called likho with plastics are non-biodegradable. Non-biodegradable meaning is clear to everyone that it cannot be decomposed easily, and they will definitely non-biodegradable. It causes the water pollution. It causes the soil pollution also. Okay, because if they will not decompose, that will remain intact in the soil. So they causes the pollution. They causes the water pollution also. Okay, हाँ जी लिख लो ये भी लिख लो ये भी क्या बोला आपने it causes air pollution on burning they produces smoke ठीक है or we can say air या smoke which leads to air pollution which leads to polythene bags bilkul we can write the polythene bags when we are throwing here and there and when the stray animals like street animals like dogs cows when they will or when we are throwing the food in it the waste food in it in polythene bag then the animals when they will eat it will chop their digestive system even the respiratory system it will chop their system and it causes the death you can write वो भी लिख सकते हो इसमें एक्सेस वाले में पढ़ता है वो बायो नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल के साथ यू कैन राइट अब एक हेडिंग लिख लो प्लास्टिक एनवायरनमेंट में जो पॉइंट्स आप बोल रहे हो यू विल राइट डाउन डिस्पोजल ऑफ प्लास्टिक लीड्स टू द हेल्थ एंड एनवायरमेंटल प्रॉब्लम्स लिखो पहले ये हेडिंग दे दो या इसी के ऊपर हेडिंग यू कैन राइट कि under this plastic environment health and write down health and environmental hazards environmental hazards ये सारे पॉइंट दैट वी डिस्कस वी कैन राइट अंडर दिस ठीक है नाउ यू कैन राइट व्हेन प्लांट हमने लिख लिया इट कॉजेस एयर पोल्यूशन ठीक है which causes soil pollution भी लिख लिया आगे लिखो the poly bags third point write down the poly bags thrown carelessly poly bags thrown carelessly poly bags thrown carelessly here and there are responsible for clogging drains clog कर देना block कर देना clogging drains and sewer pipes is it clear this point is clear bete is this point clear then we are throwing then the वो block कर देगा then the garbage will not be disposed properly next लिखो when plastics are dumped in water when plastics are dumped in water when plastics are dumped in water, it causes air or water pollution. It causes water pollution. राइट बेटे, ठीक है, पॉइंट टफ नहीं है ना, इजी है, ठीक है। एक और लिख लीजिए, plastic is a curse. Why? Same point. It's a bane. Why? ठीक है, boon and bane I told you. ठीक है, disadvantages that is bane and advantage is boon. ठीक है, लिखिए next point. They choke respiratory system. They choke, CHOKE. They choke respiratory system and digestive system of some animals like cows and dogs. Digestive tract, digestive system like cows and dogs, when they swallow the polythene bags with food, yeah, when they swallow the food with the polythene bags, when they swallow the food with polythene bags. Is this point clear, bete? When this anything you can write in your own language, when the animals like cows and dogs, they will swallow the polythene bags with the food, it chokes their digestive system and respiratory system and causes to death. Definitely, if the choking is there, so definitely that will occur. Next, लिखिए, chemicals used in the preparation of plastic. Chemicals used in the preparation of plastics cause cancer, can cause cancer. Chemicals used in the preparation of plastic can cause cancer among workers. Huh? Which is those who are there, those plastic factories. Okay, when they are preparing all these things, the plastic is, as we already discussed, it causes pollution. Okay, and the gases when it is releasing, because it is made up of chemicals. When the gases release, when they will inhale these gases, so no doubt it is not like that immediately cancer occurs. But when we are doing work over there, years or 5 to 10 years, then definitely we will feel these kind of the problem. It can cause cancer among the workers. ठीक है, in factories लिखना है तो लिख लो, among workers in factories. Next लिखो, it is unhygienic to keep food stuff. It is unhygienic, मतलब unhygienic है to keep food stuff, unhygienic to keep food stuff in recycled plastic. Why? Anyone can explain why? Why it is unhygienic to keep the food stuff in the recycled plastics? because they all these are not that kind of the good plastic. Okay, so then the color will be there. The color will enter into the food particles when we will heat it. Recycled plastic containers, these are not the superior plastic. So when we will heat it, the color that is used for this, it comes into the food. Is that clear, bete? Any doubt? Okay. Last topic we will discuss tomorrow, that is the solution to solution to problems. मतलब इसके solutions. What are the various solutions if the plastic they have created some problems? What can we use? According to you, what you can use? देखो, if the plastic, and we can't ignore the plastic because this is the plastic age. So what kind of the solutions you will use? What kind of preventive measures comes in your mind? One by one, please. Hanji. Cotton and jute bags, okay. Instead of the polythene bag, especially in the Himachal areas, they banned the polythene bags. You know it very well, है ना? When we used to go for a trip or somewhere, so they especially banned it. No polythene bags will be there. Okay? So instead of using the polythene bags, but we can use cotton and jute bags. Other solution that comes in your mind? लिख लो नहीं तो पहले ये. Instead of plastic or instead of polythene bags, yeah, we can use cotton and jute bags. We can use, yeah, we should karo. We should use cotton and jute bags instead of plastic. Right? We will discuss these points by tomorrow.